In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email signature in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional signature that automatically appears at the bottom of your emails, saving you time and keeping your brand consistent. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. You can also go directly to the HubSpot website if you prefer. Open the site and log into your account. If you have access to multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the small gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open your personal settings. On the left-hand sidebar, find and select General. This area controls your basic user preferences in HubSpot. Next, within General, click the Email section. This is where you manage the way your emails look and behave when you send them from HubSpot or a connected inbox. In the email settings, choose Manage Email Signatures. This opens the Signature Manager, where you can create and store signatures you use frequently. It's especially useful if you switch contexts, like sales versus support, and want different sign-offs ready to go. Give your signature a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. For example, you might label it something like Primary Signature or Short Reply Signature. Naming it well helps you stay organized as your library grows. Now craft the signature itself. Keep it concise and readable. A good baseline includes your full name, job title, company, and a primary way to reach you, such as your website or a general contact link. Use the editor's formatting tools to style your text consistently. Set a single font, adjust size for hierarchy, and keep colors on brand but accessible. You can link your website and social profiles directly from the editor to make them clickable. If you add an image or logo, optimize it so it loads quickly and doesn't overwhelm the message. Aim for a layout that looks clean on both desktop and mobile, with short lines and modest spacing. When you're happy with it, click Save. Saving ensures HubSpot stores your signature and makes it available wherever you compose emails within the platform. To confirm everything is working, create a new email from HubSpot. Your signature should appear automatically at the bottom of the message. Give it a quick glance to check spacing, links, and alignment. If something looks off, head back to the Signature Manager to tweak and save again. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, logged in, opened Settings, went to General, selected Email, managed your signatures, named and built your signature, saved it, and verified it appears in a new email. You're all set to send polished, on-brand messages every time.